Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on internal cleaning and maintenance of your device. Today, we will walk through the steps needed to ensure your device stays in top shape. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a precision screwdriver set, specifically with Phillips and flathead options. Isopropyl alcohol, preferably 90% or higher, for cleaning. Microfiber cloths to avoid scratches. A can of compressed air to blow out dust and debris. ESD-safe wrist strap to prevent static damage. Once you have your tools ready, make sure to power off your device and unplug it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the components. Next, carefully remove the screws from the back panel using your precision screwdriver. Keep track of the screws and their locations, as some may be different sizes. If you're unsure about handling this step, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure you don't miss anything important. After removing the back panel, you will see the internal components. Start by using the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This is vital for maintaining proper airflow and cooling. Be sure to hold the can upright and use short bursts of air to avoid moisture buildup. Now, take your microfiber cloth and slightly dampen it with isopropyl alcohol. Gently wipe down the surfaces of the internal components, avoiding any direct contact with the circuit boards. It's important to keep everything clean to ensure optimal performance. If you notice any stubborn grime, you can use a soft bristle brush to carefully scrub those areas. Be thorough but gentle, we want to avoid damaging any of the components. If you feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get professional help without any hassle. Once everything is clean and dry, it's time to reassemble the device. Carefully place the back panel on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure all screws are tightened adequately but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the casing. Before powering on your device, double-check that everything is in place. If you followed these steps correctly, your device should be clean and ready to go. If you encounter any issues during reassembly, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, power on your device and test its functionality. Enjoy the improved performance and longevity of your cleaned device. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your device in great shape. If you ever need assistance, just keep in mind, no calls, no travel, just a simple and effective service at your fingertips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.